5 countries, Ecuador, Japan, Malta, Mozambique, and Switzerland, on Tuesday began to assume responsibilities as non-permanent members of the United Nations Security Council. Their 2-year term officially started on January the 1st, but the first business day of the Security Council for 2023 after the New Year holiday break is Tuesday, January the 3rd. A flag installation ceremony was held to mark the start of their responsibilities. The ceremony was initiated by Kazakhstan in 2018. Kazakhstan's permanent representative ارکان, who presided over the ceremony, voiced confidence that the 5 new council members will bring much depth and focus to the pressing issues of global peace and security.
As we begin a new year, it is clear that the global situation continues to be marked by numerous challenges and crises. From ongoing conflicts and humanitarian calamities to the negative impacts of climate change and the pandemic, addressing these acute issues requires cooperation and solidarity, as well as the commitment of all member states.
The 5 countries replaced India, Ireland, Kenya, Mexico, and Norway. The 15-member Security Council have 5 permanent members, Britain, China, France, Russia, and the United States, and 10 non-permanent members elected for 2-year terms by the UN General Assembly. 5 non-permanent members are replaced every year.